Hi everyone, welcome back to the Hagerly channel. Today we're going to be looking at some vocabularies and phrases we use inside and around the hotel. So without further ado, let's go. To book a room.
ክፍል ለመያዝ
Double room.
ባለ ሁለት ክፍል
To pay by card.
በካርድ መክፈል
Your name, polite.
ስምዎ
Your number, polite.
ስልክ ቁጥርዎ
Thank you.
አመሰግናለሁ
Single room.
ባለ አንድ ክፍል
Key.
ቁልፍ
Total price.
አጠቃላይ ሂሳብ
Floor.
ፎቅ
Breakfast service.
የቁርስ አገልግሎት
ሰላም፣ ክፍል አለኝ። ስሜ ሄልዳና ነው።
እንኳን ደህና መጡ። ሙሉ ሂሳብ 2500 ብር ነው።
ጥሩ።
ክፍሉ 5ኛ ፎቅ ላይ ነው።
Single room.
ባለ አንድ ክፍል
To book a room.
ክፍል ለመያዝ
Floor.
ፎቅ
Key.
ቁልፍ
In Ethiopia, it's very normal to use the polite you instead of the normal you when talking to elders and customers. For example, in hotels, you'd hear the service givers or the waiters referring to you as the polite you. And while talking to elders, it's better to use the polite you to make the conversation go smoothly. So instead of saying anta or anchi, you should say erso. You're doing an amazing job. Use these phrases and vocabularies the next time you book a hotel or you stay at a hotel. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button. Until next time, goodbye.